guys, welcome to the Audi. The Audi has only been in the background so far because since we got the EOS, wasn't used anymore. But something I wanted to do on the Audi for a while was swap the seat I'm sitting in, because this seat is all the worn, all the torn, all the bad. And I got a new one, well, a used one, same color, same pattern, same basically everything, and I want to swap it over. So today's that day. So let's go. So the amount of things I need for that is pretty minimal. It's an M10 or VZ10, like it's all these multi-tooth thingies that VW likes to use. And it's basically just 2 bolts front, 2 bolts rear, and some plugs. Now the seat goes back. And there's that. And as you can see, it goes away right away. What do we have here? Some dirt and some 1 Swiss franc. Cool, money. And now I need to remove what what some people know as my phone. This piece of plastic here, and I need a flathead to get these out, I believe. Okay, flathead. Plug number 3, airbag plugs. Obviously, well, seat mat plug and airbag plug. I might have to delete an airbag arrow afterwards, but that's fine because I have a dongle to do that. So now though, let's try to get the seat out of here. Let's see. Oh, that's easy enough. Before I put a new seat in, I will, however, just vacuum this out, because why not? Nice and easy right now. Okay, time to put the other seat in, huh? And in we go. Plug, plugs here. Headrest and OBD dongle for in a minute. Okay. Come on. There we go. Come on. Stop complaining. Okay. So the seat is plugged in. Before I bolt it down, I'm actually just gonna see if the car complains about anything. So, wrong key, right key. No errors, no airbag light, so I guess everything is fine. So let's bolt this down. I'm going to leave it a little bit loose for now, so I can actually wiggle it around if I need to, in order to get to the other bolts. But what I'm going to do right away is put the cover on the phone. There we go. It's back on. All the way forward. A bit up, please. 2 bolts. Well, it needs to be. See, that's why I didn't tighten it down. It needs to be scooted in place a bit. It's a really easy job. I like stuff like that. It's just nice and easy. I don't know what torque these have, but well, it's the seat, a big fat bolt, so nice and tight. There we go. All the way down as I like it. Backrest. There we go. Good. That's done. And I don't think I even need my fixed adapter because it's not complaining, I think. Yep, all good. And to prove it, there we go. No arrow lights. Everything works. Sweet. Now that I hoovered this side, I'm also going to clean this side a little bit, and then we're done. Then the Audi has a new seat. Hold on, let me actually get out and show you. It's Swiss franc. So, as you can see, it's not pretty or not perfect, but it's intact. And if we go inside, here we have the old one, and yeah, this is open, so yeah, much better. So I'm gonna get the Hoover, vacuum the rest over there, and the Audi is done for today.